I will just write a polynomial. Okay, the polynomial which is being given to us is the x raised to 7 plus x raised to 5 plus x square plus x plus 1. As you can see the screen which I have shared over here, the polynomial is being given to us over here. So what we have to do is I need to expand the polynomial. Expand means what? I have to write the polynomial in a form where I can see all the powers. But here as you can see the original polynomial is the x raised to 7 plus x raised to 5 plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, these powers of x they are present in the polynomial. So how I'm going to represent over here? The polynomial of the powers which are present, I'm going to write 1 into x raised to 7. Now x raised to 6 power is missing, so I'm going to write 0 into x raised to the power of 6 plus x raised to 5. Again, this particular power is present over here, so I'm going to write 1 into x raised to 5. Now you can see the power x raised to 4 and x cube, these two both powers they are missing. So I'm going to write 0 into x raised to 4 plus 0 into x cube plus again now x square and x and plus 1, these terms they are being present over here. So what I can write over here is the x cube plus 1 into x square plus 1 into x plus 1. Now when we write 1, what does 1 means over here? It is nothing but the power is x raised to 0. So any number raised to 0, we know that mathematically any number raised to 0, whether it's infinite, even it's raised to 0, the value will turn out to be 1. So I have written the polynomial in terms of the 1 and 0. So we can see for x raised to 7 it is present, the value is 1. For x raised to 6 it is not present, so the value will be 0 over here. Again for x raised to 5 what we can see, it is present, so the value will be 1. X raised to 4 it is not present, so the value will be 0. X cube again it is not present, so the value will be 0. X square it is being present in the original polynomial, so it will be 1. For x it will be 1, and again I am going to get the 1 over here. So I can just write in terms of binary, the value will be 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, this is the value which we are getting over here. So this is nothing but the divisor. Now what was given to us? A polynomial was given to us, that is nothing but a divisor polynomial, and then we will be having the data. Now it may happen sometimes the data is being directly given in this particular form which we have find out, that is in the binary form, or again the data will also be given in the polynomial form. So even if the data is being given, the message is also being given in the polynomial form, then what we are going to do over here is again we will convert that polynomial into the binary. But as you can see in this particular slide, okay, here we are having a CRC generator at the sender end. So here the data it is being given as the 1101. So we are having the data, it is being given over here. This is the 11. Actually these two numericals they are not matching with each other. उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल अलग दिया है, न्यूमेरिकल अलग हमको सॉल्व करना है. So what I am considering over here is the data is 1101 and the divisor which is being given over here, it is nothing but divisor is given as the 100 This particular divisor is being given to us. Okay. So we are having the data 1101. We are having the divisor 11100. Now what we have to do is we have to perform the division. CRC, cyclic redundancy check. It is being based on the division method. Division method में हमें क्या करना है? What we have to use is first of all is we have to use the XOR operation. अभी XOR operation क्या है? Everybody knows this is a symbol for the XOR. Because division basically हम लोग division में क्या use करते हैं? We use the subtraction. Okay. Division in the division what we are doing is we are using the subtraction for solving for dividing the numbers over here. But when you are performing the division of the binary numbers and the data is being given in the binary form, then what we have to do is we have to use the XOR operation, and what we know over here is the 0 XOR 0 and or 1 XOR 1, the value will be 0. But 0 XOR 1 or 1 XOR 0, the value will turn out to be 1. So here I am going to first of all write 1101. I will write the value. What is being given is the 100. This is being given to us. Now this is 1. You can see over it is 1101. My first value over it is the 1. So what I want is I am going to multiply with the 1 so that I can get my first MSB as 1 only. So 1. Now this one multiplied with this one, I am going to multiply 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Those who want to solve with me, they can just solve with me, or just pay attention that how I'm going to solve it. Okay.
Hello,
so everybody got.
Ma'am. Or which divisor do we have to consider? The 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1, or that what you have written?
नहीं नहीं, जो मैं लिख रही हूँ ना वही डिवाइजर कंसीडर करो, ठीक है।
Ma'am, so why we are considering polynomial? Why they have given us the
उन्होंने
polynomial?
जो न्यूमेरिकल यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है ना, मैं वही न्यूमेरिकल आपको सॉल्व करके बता रही हूँ। बाकी मेरे पास बुक्स में और भी न्यूमेरिकल है जो मैं बाद में सॉल्व करूंगी आपके लिए, ठीक है।
Okay,
अभी
ma'am.
सिर्फ ये एग्जांपल मैं स्क्रीन पे दिखा रही हूँ, हमने कल एग्जांपल देखा था, मैं पहले बता रही हूँ कि डिवीजन कैसे करना है, एंड देन वी कैन सॉल्व द सम्स ऑन दी सीआरसी, ओके।
Okay, ma'am.
I'm having some of the numericals on this also. I will just show it to you. Just a second. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल कि डिवीजन कैसे होना चाहिए, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, अदरवाइज मैं फिर उसको सीआरसी पे बेस्ड एक दो न्यूमेरिकल्स में आप लोगों को बताती हूँ, ठीक है। सो हियर again we will start from the left hand side and we will move to the right. So 1 XOR 1, the value will turn out to be 0. 0 XOR 0, again the value will turn out to be 0. 0 XOR 1, the value will be 1, and then 1 XOR 1, the value will be 0. No need to write over here. Then what we are going to do is we will take this 0 down over here. So I'm getting 1000. Again my MSB over here, what I'm getting is the value is 1 over here. So again in the quotient I'm going to take 1. Again 1 multiplied with this 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1. So again I got this value over here. So when I'm getting again 0 XOR 1, it will be 1. 0 XOR 0, it will be 0. 0 XOR 1, this value will be 1 over here. And what I'm getting over here is again 1 XOR 1 is 0. So I don't need to write this particular value over here. Again the 0 is remaining. I'm going to take the 0 down over here. So again I got 1 0, 1 0 over here. Now again this MSB I'm having the 1. So what I'm going to do is again I need to multiply with the 1. So again I'm getting 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 0, and then here it will be again 1. Again we have to perform the XOR operation. So 0 XOR 1 it will be 1. 1 XOR 0 it will be 1. 0 XOR 1 again it will be 1, and here I'm getting 0. So what I need to do over here is I need to add the additional 0 because I need to multiply it with the 0. जब मैं additional 0 लूंगी तो मुझे यहाँ पे भी क्या करना पड़ेगा? I need to add with the additional 0. Division आपको पता है, when you performing the division, if इधर नंबर है 3 नंबर है, what I want to do is I want to add the 0 over here. तो मुझे इधर क्वेश्चन में भी क्या करना पड़ेगा? I need to multiply it with the 0. जब मैं 0 से multiply करूंगी तो I'm going to get this particular number 1110. Okay. So again जब यहाँ पे what I want over here it is the I'm going to take the 1 over here. Again multiply कीजिए 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 0 it will be 0. Again 1 into 1. So 0 XOR 1, 1, 0 XOR 1, 1. This will be 0. What I'm going to take over here is the 0. अभी इसके आगे actually यहाँ पे इन्होंने what they have done is 110 we are getting is 110. So again I'm having the three terms. अभी ये कहाँ तक? How long I'm going to take over here is what I want is I want the value should be minimum over here. Minimum value तक हमें वहाँ पे जाना है. So again I'm getting the three terms. So again what I'm going to do is एक बार आपने 0 लिया, again I can add one more to it. I will multiply it with the one value over here. So I'm क्योंकि हमको 3 टर्म मिल रहा है 110. This value is the CRC at center side. What value I'm getting at the CRC at center is I'm getting the value is 110. So at center I'm getting the value is 110. So we got the CRC. Now when we're using the CRC, what we want is the CRC which is generated over here. Okay, then the same CRC value should be generated each other. Then we will say that there is some error during the transmission. Okay, so again, just
Ma'am, your voice is breaking too much.
right.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, even your camera is not visible.
Scary मैंने questions सारे proper है, but why my voice is breaking, I don't know. Okay, just write down. The data to be sent is, I'm just going to write over here. Just write down the numerical. The data to be sent is 100,100. The data to be sent is 100,100. आई थिंक वो सेम ही है शायद वहाँ पे जो मैंने पहले कराया है आपको न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, वी विल जस्ट गो फॉर द अनदर वन. Okay, just write down this one. A bit stream. A bit stream. क्योंकि सेम फिर सेम आंसर हमको मिलेगा. A bit stream. I am writing a bit stream. Please all of you write down. A bit stream 100 11101 is transmitted. The bit stream 100 11101 is transmitted using the CRC method. Am I audible now clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is transmitted using CRC method. The generator polynomial is, I am writing a generator polynomial. All of you please write down. The generator polynomial is, write down, x cube plus 1. The generator polynomial is x cube plus 1. Find out the actual bit transmitted, or you can write the actual bit stream, because we are not having a single bit, we are having a stream over here. Find out the actual bit stream transmitted. Find out the actual bit stream transmitted. Okay, so first of all, what is being given to us? Generator polynomial. What is being given us to the x cube plus 1? So I can just write x cube 1 into x cube plus 0 into x square, as this particular term is missing over here. No, I'm not showing, I'm just showing with my camera. I'm just showing the numerically with my camera. Okay, it's not visible properly. Whatever I'm writing is not visible clearly. Okay, one
Ma'am,
into
it's a bit blurred.
It's blurred. Just a second.
मैम थोड़ा blur है.
Okay, okay. I've switched on the light. अभी दिख रहा है clear?
हाँ मैम थोड़ा better है.
Okay, fine. So we are getting 1 into x cube. X cube term present है, so I'm going to write 1 into x cube plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x, because this term is missing over here, and then again plus 1. So what I'm going to get, my generator polynomial, it is going to become 1 0 0 1. Okay, all of you can see over here, it is written as the 1 0 0 1. Okay, ये आपका क्या हो गया, 1 0 0 1 क्या हो गया, आपका डिविडेंड हो गया है, ये आपका सॉरी डिवाइजर हो गया है, और आपका डेटा क्या है, डेटा क्या दिया हम लोग को 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. Now as you can see, how many bits are there in the generator polynomial? What we can see, how many bits we are getting in the generator polynomial? There are total 4 bits. Okay, when there are 4 bits, we can see over here in the generator polynomial we are getting the 4 bits over here. So whatever the data is being given, क्या data दिया हमको 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. Now when the 4 bits are being given in the CRC, we have to append n-1 zeros. हमें क्या करना है, n-1 zeros हमको क्या करने हैं, यहाँ पे ऐड करने हैं. अभी n का वैल्यू कितना हो गया है 4, that is the 4 bits in the generator polynomial. So how many zeros I need to append in the data over here? I need to append 3 zeros. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है ये? Generator polynomial आपको दिया है. Generator polynomial is nothing but the divisors. The generator polynomial was given. What I have done is I have converted that polynomial into the binary form, that is the 1 0 0 1. सबको समझ में आया 1 0 0 1 हमें कैसे मिल रहा है? All of you are getting? So now we can see how many bits are there in the generator polynomial. We can see there are the 4 bits. Now as there are 4 bits, so how many zeros we need to append in the data stream? This is your data which is being we need to transmit over here. So how many zeros we need to append, or how many zeros we need to add? As there are 4 bits in the generator polynomial, n-1, always what we have to do is we have to add the n-1 zero. So how many zeros I have added over here is I have added the 3 zeros. Now we need to start performing the division again. So we are having 1 0 0 1, and then we have the data stream which is being given as the 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. All of you have written this. Now you can perform the binary division. Again 1 into 1. I am having the 1 over here, so it will be 1 into 1. I will get 1 0 0 1. Again what we need to do is we need to perform the XOR operation. So 1 XOR 1, it will be 0. This will be 0 XOR 0, 0, 0 XOR 0, this 0, and this term will also turn out to be 0. So we are not going to write this particular value. Now what we have to do is we will take this 1 over here. Again I am having the 4 bits over here. अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पे तीनों 0 आ गए तो फिर से ये 1 नीचे लूंगी. No, I am not going to do that over here. Okay. So we are going to multiply with the value 0, क्योंकि आपका पहला value क्या है यहाँ पे 0 है. So I am going to multiply it with the 0. So what I am going to get is all the values, they will be 0. Again I will get 1 XOR 0 1, 0 XOR 0 0, 0 XOR 0 0, और ये जो आपका लास्ट वाला है ये टर्म हम क्या करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हम इसको छोड़ देंगे. Again I am going to take the 1 down over here. Next one हम लेंगे. What I am getting is 0 1 1. Again my first bit is 0. So what I am going to do is I am going to multiply it with the 0 value only. So again it will be 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, and I am going to get all the 4 zeros over here. सारे ही मुझे क्या मिलेंगे यहाँ पे, all the term will be 0. So again 1 XOR 0 it will be 1, 1 XOR 0 it is 1, 0. Again these two terms they are going to be 0. So I am going to write the 0 over here, and I am going to discard this. अगेन लेफ्ट हैंड मोस्ट साइड में जो 0x और 0 में इसको डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे। ठीक है, जैसे हमने इसको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया, इसको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया, अगेन हम इसको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया। तो व्हाट आई एम हैविंग इज अनदर 0। आई विल जस्ट पुल डाउन दिस 0, अदरवाइज आई एम गोइंग टू रिड्यूस द रेड पेन ताकि मैं उसको एरोस बता सकूं आपको। ये पहला हमने बिट लिया, एक सेकंड बिट हमने लिया, and then we have taken the third bit over here. Okay, so we have got this 0 1 1 0. Now as we have got this 0 1 1 0, again हम क्या करेंगे उसको, पहला बिट क्या है आपका, फिर 0 है, so what I'm going to do is again I'm going to multiply with the 0. So what I'm going to get here, again all the 4 zeros. 0 XOR 0, again it will be 0, 1 XOR 0 it will be 1, 1 XOR 0 it will be 1, and again this term I'm going to discard. I won't write the 0 over here. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? Now what is remaining? Again इसके बाद ये 1 है. I will just pull down this 1 over here. Okay, so I have pulled down again this 1 over here. Again I'm having the 4 bits over here. So what I'm going to do now over here? Again I got 1 1 0 1. Now this first bit over here, okay, the MSB is 1, so I'm going to multiply it with the 1. Again it will be 1 0 0 1. This will come over here. 1 XOR 1 0. 0 XOR 0 0. This will be 1 and this term again it will be discarded. I am not writing 0 क्योंकि हमको unnecessary confusion ज़्यादा create नहीं करना है. So what I am doing is I am not writing the 0 over here. मैंने सिर्फ cross लगा दिया ताकि आपको पता चले कि ये value यहाँ पे क्या हो जा रहा है, 0 है. I need to consider only these 3 values. So what I got over it is the 1 0 0. Now as I have got this value 1 0 0 over here, these 3 zeros are still remaining over here. So what I have to do is, again I will take the 0 over here and I'm going to write the 0 over here. Okay. All of you can see what I am getting over here is I got 1000 over here. So what I'm going to do now, again the first bit is 1, so I'm going to take the 1 over here. It will be 1 0 0, sorry 1 0 0, and this will be 1. Again 0 XOR 1, it will be 1. Here 0 0, and again this term will be discarded over here. So what I'm getting is the 0 0 1. What is remaining over here is this 0 is remaining. So again I need to pull it down. I will write this 0 over here. So again what I have got over is the 0 0 1 0. अब जब ये 0 0 1 0 आ गया, again आपका पहला bit क्या है यहाँ पे? The first bit it is the 0 over here. So what I need to write over here is, again I need to multiply it with the 0 because my first bit is the 0 over here. Okay, so I'm going to write the 0 over here. Again it will turn out to be as it is 0, so all the 4 they will be 0 over here. Again it will be 0, 1 XOR it will be 0, this term will be 0, and this term will be discarded. And now what is remaining is the last term is remaining, that is the 0. अभी last bit मेरा पेज खत्म हो गया है, तो I'm just going to write it over here. What we have got is the cross 0 1 0 0. सबका solve हुआ है यहाँ तक? Everybody have solved till over here? Everybody is getting 0 1 0 0. Now again यहाँ पे पहला bit क्या है आपका? 0 है. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, again I'm going to multiply it with the 0 and it will turn out to be 0. So what I'm going to get is the 1 0 0. Okay. And this term will be discarded. अब क्या है यहाँ पे और कोई number है which I can pull down and I can perform the further division? No, I cannot perform the further division because all the bits which were there in the dividend, they have been exhausted. Okay, they have been terminated over here at the last 0. So I cannot perform the further division. So what I've got is my answer. What remainder I'm getting over here? I will just write down the remainder over here. My remainder is the 1 0 0. What remainder we are getting is the 1 0 0. Now this remainder which we are getting as 1 0 0, it is this called as the CRC. ये जो remainder हमको मिल रहा है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? CRC, that is called as the cyclic redundancy check. Okay, ये हमारे को क्या मिला है? This value is nothing but the CRC. समझ में आया सबको ये performance? कैसे division करना है and how to find the CRC value?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here what we can say, this is a CRC which is being so this particular value, अभी जो CRC value किसके पास जाएगी? This CRC value will be sent to the receiver as well. So when the data will be transmitted to the receiver, what the receiver is going to check, again at the receiving end, same method will be performed, same division will be performed, and it is going to check. अगर वो division का value 0 0 आएगा, then what it will understood, there is no error during the transmission. But अगर वहाँ पे remainder 0 0 नहीं आ रहा है, कोई other value आ रही है, तो what it will understand, the receiver will come to know that this is not the correct data. There is some error has been occurred during the transmission of the data, and that particular data it will be discarded by the receiver. समझ में आया कि एक और न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना है और यू आर कंफर्टेबल? सी सीआरसी का इतना नहीं है, न्यूमेरिकल से कैसे सॉल्व करना है यू शुड कम टू नो, बिकॉज हम जब आगे पढ़ेंगे लीनियर ब्लॉक कोड या साइक्लिक कोड से, वहां पे जब हम लोग सीआरसी यूज करेंगे देन वी विल बी हैविंग द न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन द सीआरसी एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. गेटिंग इट? Should I take one more numerical or all of is comfortable with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 101.
101 कैसे मिलेगा बेटा? 100 मिलेगा ना? कुछ गलत किया है क्या मैंने? जस्ट चेक करो. प्रियंका, ध्रुमिल, those who are solving it. Trinity.
Yes, ma'am. We are also getting 100.
100 ma'am.
Okay, मेरा मिस्टेक होगा.
We have to take only the last. It's okay. वो जीरो को डिस्कार्ड करना है हमको. देखा था हमने 10011 ट्रिपल 1 इसके बाद. So data which we have written is the 1001111. Then again 01. This is 3 zeros with the CRC value. So actually what data will be transmitted, what code word will be transmitted? Now the code word that we are going to transmit, it will be your 1001101, and instead of 00 the CRC value we are going to add is the 100. So this will be the actual data which will be transmitted from the transmitter to the receiver. Okay, हमने क्या किया था पहले? For performing the division what we have done is we have seen how many bits are there in the generator polynomial. We got the 4 bits. We have added n-1 zeros to the data for performing the division. We have performed the division, and after the division what we are getting is we are getting the 3 bits in the CRC. So now we have to replace this 000 with the value 100. Getting it? हमें किससे replace करना है उसको? With the value 100. So what actual data will be transmitted to the receiver? क्या data transmit होगा आपका? The data will be 100111101. This is our data stream. और ये 100 लास्ट के 100 क्या है? दिस इज द सीआरसी वैल्यू व्हिच इज बीइंग एडेड टू द डेटा. अब जब ये डेटा रिसीवर के पास जाएगा तो अगेन क्या हो जाएगा? वहां पे अगेन द डिवीजन विल बी परफॉर्म. पर डिवीजन में क्या हो जाएगा? ये वैल्यू आपको लेना है और आपका वैल्यू जो हमने डेटा यहाँ पे जनरेटर पॉलिनोमियल लिया है 1001, अगेन द डिवीजन विल बी परफॉर्म. और उसमें रिमाइंडर कितना आना चाहिए आपका? द रिमाइंडर शुड बी 0. इफ द रिमाइंडर इज नॉट 0, व्हाट इट विल बी understood by the receiver? What the receiver is going to understand over here is there is some error during the transmission. If the remainder is 0, it will indicate there is no error. If the remainder is not equal to 0, it will show some error has occurred during the transmission. आया समझ में सबको ये CRC?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. When do we have to pad zeros?
Yeah.
When do we have to pad zeros?
Every time we have to add zeros to the data. Depending upon what generator polynomial we are getting, that number of zeros, because हमें क्या करना है? हमको जीरो क्यों हम ऐड कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज हमको उतने जीरोस को रिप्लेस करना है विद द सीआरसी वैल्यू, क्योंकि हमको सीआरसी वैल्यू ऐड करनी है ना डेटा के अंदर. अभी जैसे यहाँ पे कैसा हो गया? आई एम गेटिंग द 4 वैल्यूज इन द जनरेटर पॉलिनोमियल. इफ आई एम गेटिंग द 4 वैल्यूज इन द जनरेटर पॉलिनोमियल, so what it will be? If I am getting 4 values in the data, I am having the 4 bits as I got 1001. तो हम कितने zeros append करेंगे? 3 zeros. अगर मेरे जनरेटर पॉलिनोमियल में 5